Join me today, guys, as we are going to be taking the brand new Fair RC / Hobby Plus 8x8 Terranaut 18th scale monster around some sand, and we're also going to be taking it to some rocks to go test out just how well this little scale crawler is. And stick around till the end of the video because I need your help. What is up, boys? Today we got the Terranaut 8x8 active AWS, which means all-wheel steer, I believe. Fully remote functional gooseneck, active all-wheel steering, 2-speed transmission, extreme scale detail. Let's check this baby crawler out. You know I've been loving my crawlers. So let's go ahead and check this thing out today, and let's cut off the official factory seal here. Let's check this thing out together, guys. Live unboxing, as you can see. So we got stuff, we got a charger, and I love collecting these little wheel tools. Actually, this wheel tool looks longer and looks like I might actually use it. Looks like it has a sway bar kit or something here. Just a guess. Now, foam. You don't want to see foam. You don't care about foam. You care about the remote. Check out this remote. Oh, actually a nice remote. No, it's a FlySky. Look at that, FlySky FS. That's pretty cool. Guys, we're going to be leaving a link down below where you can go check out all the features on this thing. But today, you know, we're going to have to go out and test it, put it to its limits. And here it is. Here's the Terranaut. The Terranaut. Oh, man. With the foam and everything. Oh, wow. Okay, it's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. If you guys can tell, the remote's here. I thought it being an 18th scale is going to be a lot smaller, but it's pretty tall for what it is. Here's a TRX-4M. There's a TRX-4M. Yeah, and this is an 18th scale, and that's an 18th scale. So there you guys go. That is actually pretty awesome. Let's get some ASMR going here. Oh yeah. Guys, this thing looks great. Look at all the suspension under here. All the drive shafts going on here to make it 8x8. This is awesome, guys. Yeah, it's got like metal shocks. Looks like it has lights in here. And there's that gooseneck trailer hitch and a winch, dude. And a winch? Man, this thing's cool. But how do you think this thing's gonna crawl, guys? We're gonna have to go try that out. But first, let's figure out where the battery is. Where do you guys think the battery is? Think it's right here? Think it's under the cab? Oh, we're getting somewhere, I think. There's little tabs right here that you simply just pull over, and it should release the cab to pull up. It should, there we go. And the cab pulls up like that from those little tabs. And there's a little baby battery that comes with this thing. Oh my gosh. What even is this? What kind of XT30? So it comes with a little 2S 1100 milliamp LiPo. And look at all this wiring going on in here. And here is the ESC all wired up in there. It looks like a 2-in-1 kind of system. Not really sure. We'll have to tear that out and put a new motor on it eventually. But guys, I mean, this detail seems pretty awesome. Even came with extra spares. Squishy tires too. Nice suspension. And the winch. We're definitely gonna have to check out how this winch is going here. But yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing out. So there'll be a link down below where you can check out everything that comes in the bundle with this truck. You know, guys, we got to go test exactly how well this will hold up to Life of Ballen. All right, guys, we got the Terranaut all loaded up here, ready to go out here to do some sandhill climbing. Look at this beautiful thing. So the front two steer with your regular steering. On the remote here, we can take this button right here, and this allows us to steer with the rear, as you can see. So this is gonna be fun. I could just steer from the back. But let's go see how this thing does out in the actual environment. And guys, we also have a real winch here with one button push on here, winds or unwinds the winch. We don't have anything to winch right now, but we'll definitely use it in a minute. So this is a high-speed mode, and look at her go. I mean, a little bit faster than walking speed, not too bad. Let's see how it takes a curb here. It's just like a boat. Did it though. Cross the road. It's the chicken crossing the road. Oh yeah, that's no problem. Here's our first little hill right here. Come on, 6x6, easy. Nothing for this little 18 scale thing. Seems like the motor's cutting out when I'm trying to do that. If I go to low gear, come on. Come on, low gear got up, no problem. And let's use the 4-wheel steer. Oh yeah, we can crab walk with this. Where we crab walking to, boys? Where we crab walking to? See how it takes on this little canyon. Oh, we came down super fast. It's not no little canyon compared to this thing. So far in high mode, it seems like it bogs down a lot. But if we go to low mode, definitely is fighting, but this is gonna be for more scale stuff than big boy stuff. Can we crab walk up this thing? Look at that, I can just move the rear and get up. Can we get up this little sand hill? No, oh no, we're going down a hill. So far, definitely we need a more scale place to run this, not really out here. I think it's making it up this though. Come on, come on, come on. To the floor. No, the motor gives out right there. I'm definitely gonna have to put more power in this thing because I love the design of it. I just don't know why it's cutting out. Let's switch to low mode. It gives you everything all the time in low mode. Look at it. If I just move the rear end, it gets up. Yeah, low mode is where all the power is for this thing. On to our next adventure. Whee! Come back up this hill. There we go. There we go. But it's also just really easy to carry around to the next location. All right, now we got some more sand to play with. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put a brushless system in here. This truck's way too cool to be cutting out like this in the high mode. There we go. Man. Crab walking slowly. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. Steer that rear end and get up the sand. Steer that rear end. Don't even need to steer the front. This thing is so cool. It just needs more power. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. We can crab walk to wherever we need to. Yeah, I guess we're going that way. There we go. That's what this thing is meant for. You see that? Low and slow. Oh yeah. What are we doing? What are we doing? All right, now let's test the strength of the winch. So one button here, I can release the winch. See it working? Let's see. Any day now. It's so cool that it does it like this though. It's actually a pretty long winch. Look at this. See, I'm gonna hook it to itself like that, and then we're gonna tighten it back up. Here we go. Can it pull the truck? It's pulling the truck. You can hear it. It's definitely winching the truck up. Let's see where it stops. I would say that's a pretty strong winch. Is it gonna winch the truck up the tree? Came undone. It was very strong, guys. I will give it that. That winch can definitely hold its own weight with the truck. All right, guys, we found a little bit of rock here. Let's see if this is where this thing shines. There we go. Taking it rock head on. Oh no. So we can just turn right off of that. Here we go. Whee! Oh no. Oh, I thought we had it. Oh, thought we had it. We got it. Can we get up this hill though? Yes, we can. Didn't cut out on me on that time. Cut out right there though. We're officially blinking in lights though. Oh yeah. Oh! All right, final test for today, guys. Can it make it up our sand hill? Take me 8 years, so I'm gonna do it in slow mode. Okay, all right, we're going there. Starting to dig. I don't know if we're gonna have the wheel speed for this. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We are moving. We're moving at grass speed, at grass growing speed. But we are moving. I'll have to speed up this part of the video. You can literally make yourself a hot pocket in this time. Just give the back a little wiggle and I think we're going still. I'm definitely gonna brush swap this thing, guys. I think we're stuck. Well, we made it that far. I like this thing though. I mean, it's cool. The functionality is cool. If you're really into the scale stuff, you got to get one of these things, man. I mean, it's 8x8, turn anywhere you want it to. It just needs more wheel speed, brother. We'll find some more scale places with this for sure, guys. Don't count me out yet. Transmission holding up good. It did do it.
Now let's test this Fair RC 8x8 at Crawler Innovations HQ's own backyard park.
We finally found some terrain. Look at this.
Can Byron break it?
Byron can definitely break it.
Or are we going to let him know?
There we go.
Oh!
That's what I'm saying. You see that motor, man?
No, I'm just saying, look at the front tires when they turn the other way.
Oh! Oh! The servo's like, hey, buddy.
Yeah, I think it just needs a little bit more bold.
Yeah, if we had a little bit more power, this thing would be crazy.
Plus, you're on a 1/10 scale before stuff?
Yeah, this is a 1/10 scale, guys. Yeah, we're out here at Crawler Innovations HQ. It's got a massive 1/10 scale course here, but this little truck seems to be going through this stuff. I mean, I've gotten this far.
You can at least spring rig that.
But can it make this gap, though? That's what I'm kind of
It
worried
should.
about.
I mean, you have 8 wheels, bro.
Yeah,
If
it's
you
no
can't make that
issue.
gap, then
Tears up a 1/10 course. Yeah,
oh, you're about to get down.
like that.
Like that.
He did something.
Oh.
Did it really just make it up that tire? It did, look at that. Well, if I was a better driver. Yeah, but we still got out of that, just had to keep twisting it. This little thing is impressive.
Other than doing that?
Other than it being that. It mounted it.
I need you to winch me up.
Okay, I can winch up Austin here. And look, he has hooks for it right here. So just gotta help him out here.
This is when that 3 days later.
3 days later.
3 days later.
All right.
You know, in all reality, if we're here till night tonight, we should really like actually
Here
come
we
back
go.
over here and hook it up during the while it's
There we go.
dark outside.
There we go.
You're about to burn that booger up, bro.
I'm stationary.
Yeah, it's trying to go.
I got him. We pulled a 1/10 up.
Just floor it now, Brett. We're now having you down.
Let me down, Austin. Let me down. Thank you.
It just falls over and crushes it.
Let's not do that.
Hey, be careful now.
Great use of the winch here, guys. He's pulling me back.
Not just the other day, I saw it all as a joke. So far, I got a couple of wins who keep it so.
All right, guys, this is where I need my help. After everything you saw today, do you think this thing is worth it? But I also need to know, what motor should I put in here? I've been seeing the Hobby Wing Mini 16 is what everybody keeps putting in these things, but I'm thinking of trying to do something different. So let me know if you have any suggestions. And what was your favorite part about this truck and what should we do with it next? Thank you so much and see you in the next one.